Pino, jersey number 14. Black. A foul on jersey number 16. De Leon. Second personal foul on De Leon. And a second team foul by the side of post James. Proceed for that.
Shoot mo! Concentrate.
Pino on the first side.
Very good.
Hindi yan. Nakita mo, si Pino, walang tawang tumira. Pumapasok na yun. May tawa. Sabret. Kami tanaw. Sabi siya niyo, huwag kayo magkakawang titira. Sabi siya niyo, kamatay si Dima. Palitan si Dima. Chico, running number, in and out. And the ball goes out. Foul from the foul. Foul on jersey number 22, Mendoza. Sabret. Kabingang, number 10. Mendoza, pangalawa na po kayo. Bobby Green. Gomez, get it done, and the ball goes to Tino. Tino to Tino. Signal na play. Kung isa. 5 seconds to shoot. Tama ba yan? Tino! Tino, jersey number 14. Thank you for the tayo. Abang na, dito rito. Dali lang. 5-4. Mane ko na. Ang nice shot para sa sort na yun. Tino, signal to play. Advance, kung isa. Being asked by Tino and Mendoza. When release the ball. The ball goes to Mendoza. And a foul on jersey number 22. Third personal foul for that.